take this drawer front off, but we don't want to damage the drawer front, so we get a piece of wood so that we're not hammering onto the drawer front itself. We're just going to hit the wood. So it just loosens that front, so you can see the whole lot's come off. And again, if we coming.
Yes.
It's taken the base with it. So, we've already done that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put, so Phil, if you can hold, I'll tell you what we'll just tape on. Where's your fingers? So what we're doing again, if I can get the glue to the bottom. You could clean all of these off, but they seem to be clean enough. So we're going to just put glue on those. There. And on there. And if you just,
if you put too much glue
yeah,
in
it just
it's
squeezes.
like a piston, it won't
go
escape.
out. So, as we've just been told, if you put too much glue in the hole, the glue's got nowhere to escape, and we're there in the fridge. So now we locate each of the dowels back into the holes, and again using a piece of wood so that we're just knocking it down bit by bit on each side until the whole lot locates. So just like that. There's lots of glue oozing out, but that's nice and tight. So now we take off all the excess again before it dries. And then you take the gaffer tape off. Once it's all dried, you take the gaffer tape off, take the gaffer tape off the corners.
Or leave them in position
Yeah,
just
I
now.
will. And then once to see that it's all dry and solid, gaffer tape off the corners. Then you do exactly the same as what you did to take it out. You just tip it up, feel as though you can feel it in its runners. There. You can hear it when it locates, and then it's as good as new.